Hey guys, welcome to Hung. Welcome to Shara Desert. Welcome to Shara Hung. So Hung in Black or African means desert, and in Arabic means Shara, or Darsagia, Darsagia. Hung, yeah, Hung, yeah, my desert, my desert. In Arabic, it would be Sa'arabitai, Sa'arabitai, or Darsagia Bitai. So deserts means, it's mean hung. It means empty place. Hung and then a hagen. So hung, yeah, my desert. Hung, yeah, my desert. But it means to expand, to make a room for deserts, or to transform to be desert, or to bring trees, big trees, small trees, just to transform to an open place, to be a desertification, or it could be go other way. It could be conformed, growing more trees, more plants. And that's mean hung, to open out, to make a place, to open up space. It's kind of excuse, saying like, excuse me, I need to go this way, I need a space. And that's very similar to meaning in Black, in hung, yeah, hung, yeah, my desert. And yeah, I mean my. Hung Oni, hung Oni, our desert, our desert. Sahara Bitana, Sahara Bitana, or the Sagia Bitana. Hung Oni, hung Oni. Hung Ekin, hung Ekin. Hung Ekin means their desert. So Ekin means there. So their people, desert. Hung Ekin, their desert. Their desert. So it's a people place, people home, and this is a sentence. This is just for example, of people desert. It's just a word, but it could be, people desert, or desert not belong to anybody. It's not belong to anyone. Honga telen a Sahara. Honga telen a Sahara. The greatest desert is Sahara Desert. So the greatest desert is Sahara Desert in the world. And next, I have just example. You can say in African, you can say, or in Mabaan, you can say, Ya ati Sarah Hong. Ya ati Sarah Hong. And to translate that, you would say, you can say, Ya eta Sarah Hong. Ya eta Sarah Hong. I will go to Sahara Desert. I will go to Sahara Desert. Yabal Hong means I'm in the desert. Yabal Hong. Yabal Hong. I'm in the desert. And it could be any desert. It's not specific. Ya ati Sahara Hong. Ya ati Sahara Desert. Or Ya ati Sahara Hong means I went to the Sahara Desert. Ya ati Sahara Hong. I went to the Sahara Desert. I went to Sahara Desert. And thank you for your time, and thank you for tuning in and listening to my lecture today. It's basically about Hong means desert. And so when you say Honga Tilan Ashara, Honga Tilan Ashara, Honga Tilan Ashara mean the largest desert is Sahara Desert, is Sahara Desert. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your supporting. Thanks for your help. And I will see you later. Bye.